Hey there, gearheads! Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Hatchback. And let me tell you, this isn't your typical fuel-sipping snooze fest. Honda's finally bringing hybrid power to their beloved Civic Hatch, and they're doing it with a bang. Let's cut right to the chase with the numbers you're all wondering about. 200 horsepower and a meaty 232 pound-feet of torque from its hybrid powertrain. That's right. This eco-friendly Civic actually packs more torque than the sporty Si model. And before you start worrying about fuel economy, how does 50 miles per gallon in the city sound? Yeah, I thought so. Starting at $31,000 for the sport hybrid trim, this new Civic is positioning itself as the thinking person's compact car. Sure, you could go for the base sport model with its tried-and-true 2-liter engine making 150 horses, but trust me, the hybrid is where the magic happens. Behind the wheel, this Civic feels surprisingly alive. Despite carrying around an extra 300 pounds of hybrid gear, Honda's engineers have worked their chassis magic. The steering is precise, the body control is tight, and when you put your foot down, that instant electric torque gives you a satisfying push back in your seat. It's like Honda took everything we love about the Civic's handling and added a shot of electric espresso. Step inside, and you'll find Honda's kept things clean and modern. The Sport Touring Hybrid trim rocks a crisp 9-inch touchscreen with Google built right in, while base models get a perfectly serviceable 7-inch display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? Standard across the board, because Honda knows what's up. And hey, everyone gets heated front seats and dual-zone climate control. Not too shabby for a compact car. Now let's talk practicality, because that's where this hatch really shines. Pop the rear gate and you're looking at 24.5 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats up. Fold them down and you've got enough room for that impromptu IKEA run. The only real head scratcher? No rear USB ports or air vents. Come on, Honda, even the backseat passengers need some love. For 2025, Honda's beefed up the structure with extra reinforcement around the B-pillars and rear doors. They've also added some clever noise-canceling tech and wheel resonators to keep things whisper quiet inside. It's these little details that make the Civic feel more premium than its price tag suggests. Style-wise, it's still a sharp-looking ride, though I've got to admit, the new Prius is turning more heads these days. Never thought I'd say that about a Prius, but here we are. Still, the Civic's design is aging like fine wine, with clean lines and just enough sporty touches to keep things interesting. Here's the real kicker though. This Civic Hybrid is actually fun to drive. You can break the front wheels loose if you're feeling frisky, yet still cruise home averaging better than 45 MPG on the highway. Try doing that in your hot hatch. But let's be real for a second. The biggest competition for this car might be coming from inside Honda's own house. The Civic Si is still out there tempting us with its manual transmission and sport-tuned everything. It's like Honda's making us choose between our heart and our head. Bottom line? The 2025 Civic Hybrid Hatchback is the kind of car that makes you question whether you really need that crossover. It's practical, efficient, and way more fun than it has any right to be. Sure, Honda took their sweet time bringing it to market, but sometimes the best things are worth waiting for. So what do you think? Would you take this hybrid over the Si? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world car reviews. That's it for today, folks. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the MPGs up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.